Assalamualaikum, welcome to Zoobies Kitchen. Today in this video I am preparing Gulab Jamun, which is a perfect dessert for this festive season. So let's get started. Before that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. So the first step is preparation of sugar syrup. For that we need 500 ml of water, sugar 2.5 cup, which is perfect. If you want more sweet, you can adjust the sugar level. Give it a mix. One-eighth teaspoon of lemon juice. By adding this, syrup gets slight color and it enhances the taste of the syrup, which is completely optional. Cook until the sugar completely dissolves in the water. You can see sugar has completely dissolved. Now increase the flame to the high and cook syrup for about 4 to 5 minutes or till you get one string consistency of the syrup. It has done, keep aside. Now we will move to the step 2, which is preparation of Gulab Jamun. So for this we need Khoya or Mava 250 grams, all-purpose flour or maida 6.5 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Combine or mix all the ingredients well. After combining, start kneading the dough. Knead the dough for about 5 to 8 minutes. The dough should be kneaded well. If you don't knead it well, we'll get cracks while making the balls. So our dough has been kneaded well. Now start making the balls. Take a small portion of dough and massage the dough in between your palms well and make a round balls. You can also give the shape according to your choice. Similarly, make balls of entire dough in the same manner. So I have prepared the balls of entire dough. So our jamuns are ready for frying. So now we'll move to our step 3, which is frying of the jamuns. For this we need to heat the clarified butter or ghee. Temperature of ghee should be lower side. Add one jamun and fry it and see if it does not break. You can fry the rest of the jamun. So you can see my jamun has perfectly fried. So I am gonna fry the rest of the jamuns. At a time I am going to add 4 to 5 jamuns. Remember to stir continuously while frying, otherwise the jamuns get burnt from one side. Fry the jamuns till brown. So these are done. Drain the excess ghee. Transfer these fried jamuns directly into the prepared hot sugar syrup. Sugar syrup should be hot. Similarly, fry the jamuns in the same manner. all the gulab jamun has fried, keep the jamun in the sugar syrup for about 30 to 45 minutes so that jamun soaks the syrup and it becomes fluffy and slightly bigger in size. Gulab jamuns are soaked well in the sugar syrup. Now it's time for serving. Before that, garnish it with some sliced almonds or pistachios. Our delicious tempting gulab jamuns are ready. I'm gonna cut and show the inner part. You can see it has perfectly cooked from inside. There is no raw maida from the inner side. That's it for this video. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching my video. It's my humble request to subscribe to my channel, like, share with your family and friends. Bye, Allah Hafiz.